Looking to buy an air purifier, but not exactly sure how to choose an air purifier for your home? Then this video is for you. You'll learn everything you need to know to make the right choice. So keep watching. The first step to choosing an air purifier is to pick the right air filtering type. There are 4 main types to choose from, and some air purifiers may have one or all of these features. A HEPA filter, an ionizer, an activated carbon filter, and an ultraviolet light. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can capture fine particles like dust, allergens, pet dander, mold spores, bacteria, and visible smoke. Ionizers don't capture particles, but just knock them out of the air. However, ionizers do help reduce the same types of particles as HEPA filters. An activated carbon filter removes odors and gases from the air from things like cooking, chemicals, smoke, pets, and mold. And an ultraviolet light kills airborne bacteria and viruses to make the air sterile. The next step for how to choose an air purifier for the home is to pick the right size. The air purifier you get must be sized properly for the room. If it's underpowered, then it won't work very well. To get the right size air purifier, it must cover the total square footage of the room. To measure square footage, just follow this quick guide. Well, I hope this video helped. If you want to learn more about anything we covered here or how to find the best air purifier for your needs, click on the links in the description below to view our free informational guides. Also leave a comment if you have any questions and hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.